Hi, thank you for joining us in another comprehensive but easy to follow top list. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to us. Let's get started.
We've been around the job site for almost 100 years. We invented the skill saw, and now we've reinvented the recip saw. Buzzkill technology cuts faster and transfers less vibration to your hands. So, with all this power and performance, what will you demolish? SKILSAW Reciprocating Saw with Buzzkill technology. Demolish vibration. SKILSAW. Stay true.
Presenting the GALAX PRO Cordless Reciprocating Saw by GALAX PRO. Compact and lightweight ergonomic design delivers improved control with minimal vibration. This tool features a lever-actuated blade changing mechanism for saw blade switch. Its speed ranges from 0 to 3000 SPM with lock-on button feature, which ensures clean and smooth cuts into almost any material. This versatile tool allows you to quickly swap out blades without using any extra tools for expertly cuts through almost any material from fiberglass, PVC to metal or masonry. The GALAX PRO lithium-ion battery is a 2.0 amp-hours professional DC 20-volt battery. Smart electronics and temperature control guarantee optimum safety for all your GALAX PRO tools. GALAX PRO, power to change your life.
We've been around the job site for almost 100 years. We invented the skill saw, and now we've reinvented the recip saw. Buzzkill technology cuts faster and transfers less vibration to your hands. So, with all this power and performance, what will you demolish? SKILSAW Reciprocating Saw with Buzzkill technology. Demolish vibration. SKILSAW. Stay true.